What's up? I'm Jack Pedrotti, and this is how to navigate your Google account. So your Google account is very useful for a lot of things in Sequoia. You have access to all these Google apps here, such as Drive, Gmail, Classroom, and Slides, as well as access to your Zoom account and other different features you can use all through your email. So in order to access your email, you'll first go to Sequoia HS.org, and once you're there, you'll see in the top right corner here there's the Google login logo, and you'll click on that and it will take you to this screen. So now once you're here, you'll type in your student ID, which you'll see on your schedule sheet that you get at the beginning of the year, and your password will be your first initial, your last initial, and then your 6-digit birthday. So once you type those in and confirm, it'll take you to here, your Gmail. So your Gmail is a really good way to communicate with your teachers and your peers all throughout your year. So in order to compose an email to a teacher or a peer, you click in the top left here, you click compose. So once you're on the compose new message window, you will type in the name of the person that you would like to email to. So I'm going to type in my ASB teacher, CU Hald. So all teachers' emails are going to be their first initial and their full last name at seq.org, as everyone's email is. So in order to create a proper email, you want your subject line to be short but get the point. So I'm going to say homework for today, which is July 24th. So for every good email, you want to have a formal greeting and a formal ending. So I'm going to start mine off with Dear Mr. Uhold. And then in the body, you want to get across the message that you are trying to deliver. So I'm going to pretend that I missed class today and I don't know what the homework is. So I'm going to say, I was unable to make our class today. Can you send me the homework? So that's short, but it gets the message across that you weren't at class, so you need the homework. And then you want to end off with another, like I said, a formal ending. You can say sincerely, thank you, whatever works best for you. Sincerely, and then your full name. And then once you have your email complete, you'll click the bottom, the big blue box at the bottom that says send. And once you're there, it will say sending here, and then it's sent. So do not hesitate to send emails to your teachers or your peers whenever you need something. Every teacher is always available to help you out, and they're looking forward to helping every student out through their email. So like I said, communication is a really important part of your high school experience, and it's going to be really useful to know how to use your Gmail. And that's how to access your Google account.